we're going to enter into an idea of looking at how to solve complex rational expressions. Complex rational expressions are just basically a whole bunch of stuff divided by a whole bunch of stuff. So, well, or it's a fraction divided by another fraction. Maybe that's a better way of saying it. So here I have a complex rational expression. Our strategy will be to deal with the numerator first, then the denominator, perform the division, and then simplify. So let's just look at the numerator. 1/3 plus 2/5. I need to add those fractions together. In order to add them, they need to have a common denominator. Common denominator between 3 and a 5, it's a 15. So I better multiply this first fraction by 5/5, which is 1. Multiply the 2/5 by a 3/3. And in doing that, that's going to produce a 5/15 plus a 6/15. So now they're common, and I can go ahead and add those together to make that 11/15. Do the same process with the numerator or the denominator. I have 2/5 minus a 1/3. I can't perform the operation because I have unlike denominators. The lowest common denominator will be a 15 once again. So in order to do that, I need to multiply 2/5 by a 3/3. That's a clever version of 1 that I have there. And then what do I multiply the 1/3 by? I need to multiply by a 5/5. And so in doing that, I now have 3 times 2, which is a 6/15, subtract a 5/15, and that will produce a total of 1/15. So steps 1 and 2, I was able to deal with the numerator, I was able to deal with the denominator. So now I have my complex fraction looking like this. 11/15 divided by 1/15. And we can divide this. I can write it out this way if you wish. 11/15 divided by 1/15. And remember, to divide, we can multiply and invert. So that becomes 11/15 multiplied by 15/1. 15s cancel out. So I'm just left with 11/1, or 11 is my final solution to this particular complex equation.